Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June the 29th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Interim Teva CEO Yitzhak Peterberg suggested that the pharmaceutical industry will undergo major changes as technology companies enter the space. The executive said, "I am a very great believer that we are now in a huge disruption within the healthcare industry, adding, for me, the digital reform as a huge enabler. Part of my competitors are not only the Novartis of the world and the other pharmas, but really the Amazons and Googles," Peterberg stated. The CEO explained that drug makers will need to consider how to navigate these changes, adding that consumers now expect different value from companies in the healthcare sector. In other news, Valeant Pharmaceuticals completed the sale of its Dendreon Pharmaceuticals unit to the Sanpower Group for nearly $820 million in cash. Valeant CEO Joseph Papa said the proceeds from this sale, along with the recently announced sale of the iNova business, move us closer to paying down $5 billion of debt. In addition, the FDA unveiled a plan to eliminate the agency's existing orphan designation request backlog of around 200 applications and ensure continued timely response to all new requests. FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb recently committed to tackling the bottleneck within 90 days, whilst also responding to all new requests for designation within 90 days. And finally, the European Commission expanded the indication for Novartis' Zykadia to include the first-line treatment of patients with advanced ALK-positive non-small cell lung cancer. In May, the FDA expanded approval of the oral ALK inhibitor for the same indication. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.